Green Lantern is the greatest, the most powerful weapon in the universe. The Green Lantern ring is known as the most powerful weapon in the universe, and that's a lot of truth in that statement. Powered by the willpower of the bearer, the ring allows its user to create constructs of just about anything that they can imagine. Ashmafar's willpower is pretty much indomitable, and that's just one of the reasons he's known as the creator, the first and the greatest founder in Onpassive. Now he has bestowed that gift on each of us as fellow founders. Ashmafar has given us all the power of the will. He says we are able to use this ring to conjure up some great constructs over the years, ones that will help him defeat all manners of foes. Nothing is beyond our ability. If it's been done, it's probably possible. As Green Lanterns, we all stand up to some of the greatest threats of them all, armed with nothing but this ring. We are the correction of the corruption. Wherever there is a need, we will be there. As Ash says, if we need it, we will create it. Join us in creating a life to be proud of, a legacy to pass on to future generations. This is Dr. Bill Williams, founder, Leadership Council member, Onpassive.